What I got out of it was it essentially showed me a roadmap of how to lay out the video, a very simple process, a three-layer cake, if you will, and I really enjoyed it.
Succinct and super comprehensive, and the takeaway that I got was how to personalize it for myself.
Absolutely, this class was great. It was to the point, it was easy, something that anybody could do.
Well, I learned a lot about how to put the story together, and that's the main thing I'll be working on.
How to implement today, how to put together a video message with my message from my heart that will position me as an expert in my field and get more business for me.
It made me dive deep into what I would want in content for video.
And you're going to learn how to put simple business videos together that you can populate onto your website or social media. We're going to talk about capturing the video, a little bit editing, lighting, a lot about messaging and how you can use video to help promote your business.
Attended Darren's seminar and every minute was valuable. So a lot of takeaway from the class and really appreciated his organization.
And the other thing that I took away from this workshop is that Darren said that it's important to take that first step and not just sit there and be perfect.
This is Darren Powers. Please go to bizvideotips.com for more information to sign up and look forward to seeing you there at the seminar.